Hello everyone, welcome to the PC.Solutions. Let's understand TCP versus UDP under 1.5 minutes. In networking, both TCP and UDP run on the top of the IP protocol, but as IT engineers, we mostly deal with the TCP for reliable communication between the servers, containers, and services. TCP or Transmission Control Protocol is connection oriented. It uses a three-way handshake before sending the data to the host. It guarantees delivery, maintenance, order, and retransmit lost packets. That's why it used in SSH, HTTP, HTTPS, Git and Kubernetes and more. It's slower but perfect for reliability in production systems. And for UDP or User Datacom Protocol, it's collectionless and faster. No handshake, no delivery guarantee. You will see UDP used in DNS lookups, load balancers, log shipping, and real-time monitoring tools. Anywhere, speed matters more than the accuracy. So remember, TCP is used for reliability, for configuration and deployment traffic. For the UDP speed for DNS and metric streaming. That's the TCP versus UDP. Follow me for more.